Welcome everyone to today's interview. I'm Nikolas from WhatClinic.com. I'm the digital marketing manager. And WhatClinic.com is one of the largest online medical directories in the world for elective care like plastic surgery, hair transplant, medical aesthetics, dental, and more. In this series of interviews, we get to know clinics from all over the world, especially from countries that are considered as medical destinations. You may have heard, for example, Poland, that is popular for patients who want to get an affordable and quality plastic surgery, or, for example, Mexico for Americans who are seeking an alternative to the high dental costs in the US. So there are also countries that are chosen among medical tourists for the quality of the treatments they provide, the specialization of their staff, and their affordability. One of these countries is the beautiful Cyprus, and today we're going to talk about medical tourism and specifically dental tourism in Cyprus, which is growing in popularity every year, not only nationally, but internationally as well. And I checked the statistics from our website, WhatClinic.com, and found out that only for this year, 12,000 users visited WhatClinic to find and contact a dentist, a dental clinic in Cyprus. And what is very interesting about this is that 1/3 of these users were living abroad. Mostly there were patients from the UK, USA, Ireland, Germany, Greece, and many more. So, to learn more about Cyprus as a medical destination and as a dental destination specifically, I have invited with me today Alexandra Kalamvouka, who is a dentist from Paphos. Hello, Alexandra. Welcome to today's interview.
Hello. Very nice to be speaking to you. Thank you for the invitation.
Nice to have you here. So, could you please introduce yourself? What is your role on what you are specializing, to learn more about you?
Yes, I'm Alexandra. I'm a dental surgeon. I qualified in Greece, Thessaloniki, in 2003. I went to UK for 4 years, where I was working and studying further. And after that, I came over here to Cyprus and started my own clinic.
And your clinic is located where in Cyprus?
Paphos.
Beautiful Paphos.
Yes.
Is your office close to the sea?
I can see it from my window, but not close. But over here, everything is close. Paphos is, distances is what I like about Paphos. In 10 minutes time, you can be everywhere.
That's great. It's beautiful. I've been there. It's so nice. So your clinic, what treatments are you offering? What are the popular treatments that you're offering to your patients?
Well, I would say all of the dental treatments, apart from orthodontics. I don't do orthodontics. I refer my patients to specialized orthodontists. I have included implants recently that I completed my qualification in implant surgery. So yes, I would say everything.
Great. So from where are your patients are coming from? Do you have only patients from Cyprus, or you got visits and patients from other countries as well?
I would say everywhere.
Everywhere.
Of course, the majority is Cypriots, but local people living here are from many countries, because it's a very multicultural country. Yeah, a lot of British people,
Mhm.
Russian people, Chinese, and yeah, everywhere.
All over the world. That's
Yes,
great.
at least, well, Europe and Asia.
Mhm. So about patients from other countries, which are the most popular treatments for them?
Well, of course, we always get the emergency
Mm.
treatments. Bad luck, it can happen to have toothache or something broken while on holiday.
Yeah.
So these are not scheduled appointments, but just need treatment. I would say that they focus more on prosthetic work,
Mm.
like bridges, crowns, dentures, things
Okay.
like that, and implants.
And implants. Okay, great. And about Cyprus, how has Cyprus become a medical tourism destination? And what are the advantages you think a patient that is coming to Cyprus is getting? Is it the prices? Is it the quality? Is it both?
I would say both. Yes, I would say that it's a very good place that you can combine treatment, good quality treatment, and good quality services for your holiday.
Mm-hmm.
Because most of the people that come here for the treatment want to combine these two things. We have plenty of sun and sea, very good services in tourism.
Mm-hmm. So patients can combine actually to get their teeth done and also have vacations at the same time in a beautiful place
Yes, I
in
think
Paphos.
that's the most common way to do it.
Mm-hmm. And how many days someone should stay in Cyprus, for example, to have implants or crowns, approximately on average?
This is a subject that yeah, I cannot lie about
Mm-hmm.
this. It depends. If you want treatments that are more straightforward,
Mm-hmm.
couple of weeks,
Okay.
2 3 weeks should be okay.
Mm-hmm.
But like complicated surgery with a lot of implants, full mouth rehabilitations, things like that, most of the times need more time.
Mm-hmm. So it depends on the treatment actually
Yes,
and
of
on
course.
individual case.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
There are things we can do pretty quickly, and sometimes I try to do, give them some priority
Mm-hmm.
time-wise to help them out with their limited time. But yeah, when it's doable, we do
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to compromise any treatment in order to make it short and then
Yeah.
have to face consequences when they're back home and
Yeah.
I'm not there to do anything for them.
Mm.
So I like to keep it safe.
And that's the most important thing,
Mhm.
quality and safety at the same time. And I'm sure that patients will not have any issue staying in beautiful Paphos for 2 weeks and enjoy quality dental treatment and also this beautiful place and the sun. One of the things that we hear from patients that are traveling to other countries to get their teeth done is the language barrier. So they're a little bit afraid of how they're going to communicate, if they will be understood from the doctors. Is it something that patients should be worried when coming to Cyprus and visiting you?
As long as you speak English, you can have anything in Cyprus. English is like the second language. I don't think they will have problem with English.
Another thing that concerns patients is the pre and post treatment. What is happening before, actually how the evaluation is done before traveling to Cyprus, let's say, for a dental treatment, and what is happening after the treatment. So what is the procedure you're following and about this?
Well, as I said earlier, because time sometimes is a problem, I try to be very clear when I get an inquiry. I try to be very clear about it from the beginning. If we can have some like x-rays, things like that, forwarded to us before they even come, that's a great tool and it helps a lot. I like to be exchange a lot of emails until we get to a point that we have planned well. So that's regarding the pre-treatment. Post-treatment, if they cannot come back again, the best thing I can do is I always tell them, feel free to contact me for whatever you want. I give them my personal mobile number, email, whatever they want. It's the only way I can help if they leave the country. But, you know, I have a lot of returning patients. They come every year. They love the place. They like the treatment. So, yeah, we have like regular checkups every summer.
That's great, and it's the hospitality actually that I'm sure that you're offering there.
Yes, they really enjoy it.
So having said that, what do you think that makes your clinic unique among patients that are coming back and visiting you when they're having vacations?
There are, I don't know, a lot of things I can say about that, but I would say the most important thing is that I care. I care a lot about them. I want to do the best I can. I want to sleep peacefully at night. I don't want to lose any sleep, so I want to be very well prepared, organized. I like slow dentistry. I don't understand how you can have treatment in 15 minutes. I invest a lot in my work, loads of courses and webinars, and we live in this era that everything changes. Dentistry had tremendous changes over the last 3 years, digital, many things. You need to keep up with those. Yeah, and I really want them to feel that they're being treated well.
This is the most important thing, to show patients that you are truly caring about their safety, to have their teeth done the way they're expecting to be, to set their expectations, and also to develop your skills. This is very, very important. And I checked your profile before our interview, and what you're saying now is reflecting to your score. You have a great service score. It's above 9, which is excellent. And also you have 5-star reviews, a lot of 5-star reviews. And this like justifies what you said about truly caring about your patients.
It's really, really so appreciated when people appreciate what you do. If you take your job seriously, it's yeah, makes me feel nice.
So you said previously about this difficult situation and period we are living now in the COVID-19 period. So how this has affected your business?
Well, yes, at the very beginning, well, everybody just shut down, and we were only available for emergencies. I always came to the practice when somebody rang for an emergency. Then, okay, it's been a long period, and things changed through that time. But yeah, I would say I haven't changed really much, because I always disinfected between every patient. Very strict protocols with sterilization, disinfection. So yes, it has changed definitely some things, but not tremendously. I'm doing most of the things the same way I used to do it.
Mm-hmm. And this is something
we had to face, like dentistry. You are always exposed to bacteria and viruses. You work in the mouth of people, so we needed all those measures before COVID. Exactly. And we just made them a little bit higher now.
Stricter, yeah. And actually, yeah, this is something that we noticed worldwide. Dentistry was the least affected medical industry in terms of bookings, visitings, or traffic in our website. People will always need a dentist, no matter what is happening. The traffic.
In fact, they say a lot of people after that, they sought dental treatment because of, breathing inside their masks for such long periods, made them realize of some dental problems, bad breath, and things like that.
This is very interesting. Nice.
Yeah.
Really nice. This is the good statistics.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so another question I have for you, and I was wondering, how do international patients discovering your clinic?
My clinic specifically through WhatClinic.
Great to hear this.
Yes, from you alone.
Mm-hmm. So another question I have is how do you handle a communication with a patient when you receive an inquiry? What is important? What would you advise other professionals, other dentists to do when they're receiving an inquiry? Do they respond like immediately? What is the follow-up procedure?
Yes, it's important that you respond as soon as possible, because sometimes people are in pain, and they're in agony. They want
they're expecting an answer right away.
Yes,
exactly.
Well, right away is not always possible. But yes, as soon as possible. You need to check your emails pretty often and respond at the earliest.
So what is the procedure you are following to keep patients safe and your employees safe?
Well, as I said, disinfect after every patient, everything. I have bought a special HEPA and UV filter that disinfects the air, a UV lamp that disinfects other things that cannot go into the autoclave. We don't allow a lot of people to accompany the patient unless if they're young children or elderly. We always have long enough appointments, and people don't wait in the waiting room like a lot of them, just
to keep them safe. Okay.
Yes.
If someone wants to communicate with you, how they can find you? What is the best way for you to get contacted? Is it through WhatClinic or another way?
Well, for international patients, it's through WhatClinic. well, most of the times they email me. Locals, they ring me.
And they know the phone.
Yes.
So for everyone that wants to contact you, in the description of the video, I will put the WhatClinic profile you have, so they can visit this link and press on the button that says inquiry and contact you directly from our website. And I'm sure you will take care of them the best way you can and
I'll do my best.
Find their needs and do your best. Yeah. So I would like to thank you for accepting the invitation to have an interview with me. We got really great information about Cyprus, and I'm sure that all the patients that were going to watch this video will be thrilled to visit Cyprus and the beautiful Paphos, to have their teeth done and combine the dental treatments with beautiful vacations, because Cyprus is a place where weather most of the time is great there and warm.
Yes, I would like to thank you for the opportunity. And yes, we would like to see people come and enjoy both treatment and hospitality.
Thank you very much, Alexandra.
You're welcome.